Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'd like to share with you a birthday card that I created. Now this is a fairly new collection from Spellbinders and it is called Make a Scene Collection by Becca Fegan. And I chose to work with the celebration scene. So let me show you first what you need to create this type of card. So to create any of these cards, you're going to need this base, so you only need to buy this once, obviously, and it has everything to create that scene. And this one is called the Make a Scene card base, and here is the item number for that, but I will also have it in the description box so you can check it out. I did follow a tutorial and I'm going to see if I can find it and link it down below. So I made my prototype, which is this one right here. I just used very light cardstock and to me it felt kind of wobbly, so with the actual card I did use 110-pound cardstock, but I think that once you add the layers it'll sturdy it up. So this is the concept of the card. You can see that it does lay flat, and you can see right there. And then here are the where you pull them. So it does have the pull tab, and then it has the circle, the half circle, and then it reveals the, see what I'm saying, it is kind of wobbly, and it'll reveal the scene inside. Of course I didn't add the scene. There are the slots. You can add 3 of them, 3 layers, and then you close it up. And I originally did not like that there was a gap, but you do have to have a gap when you assemble this, because with the actual card that I made, I originally made it where it was flush, like, you know, they were literally flush, and it didn't work. So I'll be sharing that with you in a bit, my actual card. And this is another die set that I use. This is part of their monthly club, and I'm in their small, there's a club where they send you the small and large die. So this was from 2018, as you can see, and this was for the month of December, and I used this one that says birthday wishes. And then you can see the extra pieces. Now this is what makes the scene inside of the card. And there are several scenes. You can also buy the whole collection from Spellbinders, buy it as a whole bundle, or you can buy them individually. And I chose to work with this one, which is the celebrations, and there is the number. And I will also have a link to this die set. Now these are the 2 very important pieces that you need from this die set. This is what's going to make the layers that go inside of the card. And then of course you have your decorative pieces. And this is really neat because it already comes with, this is the word and this would be the background. Here is the cake and there's the background piece. All right, so let me share with you the card. All right, you guys, so here is the card, and I think it came out so cute. I absolutely love it. I wanted to make a fun card because if you know Becca Fegan, her stuff is very elegant, but I wanted to make something fun. And the paper that I chose with is called Magical Birthday by Simple Stories. I got this collection from Christina. I will have a link to her Instagram page. She sells a lot of cute stuff. And this bow I bought from Vanessa, and who is Sparklingghoul on Instagram. I will also have a link to her shop. I think it came out so cute, you guys. Very simple, as you can see, because the paper has already a lot going on. Plus, I am trying to showcase here the interaction of this card. So now let me go ahead and open this up and show you how that works. And you can see the reveal right there. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love that. I think it's so cute. So you can see that I do have 3 layers, like I mentioned when I showed you my prototype, and here are the 3 layers. You can see 1, 2, 3. And then so there's the cake, there are the balloons, and there's the happy birthday. You can see them right there. And then it closes, and you can see that it does lay flat, so you can mail this out. And there it is one more time, and it does stand. as you can see. So if you know, you can display this in your room, you can display it in your office space or wherever you like, and this would be a really fun card for pretty much anyone, you guys. And then the back, I haven't done anything to the back, and you can just write your message in the back. And that is pretty much it, you guys. I thought this was a really fun card and love the layers. I think it's so fun. Interactive cards are fun because they're different and it's just not in your ordinary flip card. Alrighty, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and don't forget to check the description box for a link of the items used, and I would really appreciate it if you use my links. They are affiliated links. Hope you all are having an amazing day. Bye, everyone.